Hi, I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC. We're at the SC23 conference in Denver, and with me is Cristin Merritt. She is Business Manager of Women in HPC, and also you're with Alces Flight. What is your title?
With Alces Flight, I am Chief Marketing Officer.
CMO. So we're here to talk about Women in HPC and its activities here at the conference. So tell us, how did the Monday workshop go, and what were some of the highlights of it?
Well, I'm pleased to say we achieved capacity at the workshop this year. We were very lucky to have Kathy Yelnick come in as our distinguished speaker. So for those who couldn't make the plenary, she actually gave us a wonderful talk right in the morning. We had a lot of interactive sessions this year because that was a big request from our volunteers. Is they wanted to do more networking, so we had games, we had rotating panels, and people came away really, really pleased. So I'm happy to say that. And
talk about some of the themes that came out on Monday in support of Women in HPC's mission around diversity.
I think the one thing I'm really pleased with is the level of allyship that has really come about in the past few years for women in HPC. It used to be considered like a girl group and someone kind of in the background kind of thing, but now more people are understanding that we talk about careers, we showcase early researchers. We had our very first male travel fellow who actually won a full bursary. So we're really opening up, and more people are realizing it's not just the women part, we're here for everybody.
And can you talk about numbers, membership numbers?
Oh, membership numbers? Oh, I actually have no idea, but I know we're in the thousands by now. We have at least 5,000 followers off of social media alone, so that's really good to know. And I know our mailing list is in the 2,000, so that should probably be giving you somewhere between 2 and 5, because a lot of people don't realize you can just join for free, and I think they just turn up, which is fine. We don't mind.
and men could join.
Oh yes, absolutely. We believe in everybody being part of this community. It's very important that we continue to drive these narratives forward of inclusivity and diversity within our community. We want everyone involved.
Well, and we know that demographically the HPC industry really needs to broaden itself. A lot of older white men who are nearing the end of their careers, and where's the talent going to come from?
Exactly, and so I've been really pleased. Here at SC, though, there's a big student push, and I'm really grateful for that, because seeing all the young faces on the floor gives a lot of hope for this community, and because of the work that SC does with students, that is filtering out and influencing. I'm from the UK, believe it or not, my accent, totally British, right? No, I've lived here most of my life, then I moved there. The conferences in the UK are now also starting to bring forward a lot of student programs and having fun with the student programs, and people are saying, oh, this is actually a great place to be. People are friendly and welcoming. So, you know, we have to hit it from all angles, from women in HPC to the students to people just stepping up and just letting people know, come on in, HPC needs you.
Well, and it's great to see the conference work so effectively with you guys.
Yes, actually, I'm really, really excited to see the fact that many of our members, people who have been with Women in HPC a long time, have put time in at the SC conference as well. It's influenced all the messaging. It's influenced how this conference is evolving and growing. And you want to win. You want to immediately to hit it out of the park and get, 50%. But to see every year our numbers tick up, the types of people coming in that are different backgrounds from different places, it's a slow, steady progress, and that's what we want to see. Forward, one step at a time.
Okay, great. We've been with Cristin Merritt of Women in HPC, and thanks so much for your time.
Thank you so much.